Hello everybody and welcome back to Weather Tracker, and in this video I'll be discussing a winter storm that is currently forming over the central and northern plains that will move northeastward toward the northeast over the next 2 days. So if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content about weather, and let's get into the video now. So as you can see, this is the vortex map. The brighter the colors are, the more vorticity there is. So pay attention to this vorticity over here. This is over areas like New Mexico, Texas. So this was captured earlier. This was around 00 UTC, so about 7 o'clock Eastern time. So this is 4 hours old. So as of now, the vorticity has strengthened and moved a bit more northeast, and the center of the storm right now is over northern Texas at this moment. So it's not that accurate, but this is the vorticity that will be the formation of the winter storm that will impact parts of the Midwest and the Northeast tomorrow into Monday and Tuesday. Now, this is the GFS model I have loaded up here, and this is Monday evening, and you can see there's precipitation right now over Texas, and the low pressure is somewhere within this participation here, and it is moving northeastward. So you can see over the next few runs it blossoms into a huge low pressure system over parts of the Midwest, and this could be blizzard conditions here. So this is something that will drop a lot of snow over the Midwest, and then you could see it gets into Chicago, and it looks as of now it's going to be mostly rain for parts of coastal New Jersey and New York City, which has been a big change and disappointment for me since I live in New York City, and this has been shifted much more northward. So now this looks to be an all-rain event for parts of New York City and coastal New Jersey, but still it should be snowing well inland, and Boston looks like it will be getting all snow from the storm. Then also, what I've been noticing is after that storm passes by, it looks like they might even merge. There's a chance of that, but another low pressure system develops after this one passes by, and this one looks to be much stronger, and it will move more possibly northward and bring some snow to the mid-Atlantic, but that is still not certain. But it should be a stronger low pressure system. Regardless if it brings snow, it will be a very strong North Atlantic storm. As you could see, once it gets into the ocean, this is 958 millibars well off the coast, and 958 millibars is equivalent to a Category 3 hurricane. So this is very strong, but it doesn't look to be impacting the Northeast. They should dodge the Northeast. But then, as you can see, after that, there's going to be a piece of the polar vortex coming south from Canada. As you can see, look at this circle comes. This is not 498. That is very cold air coming straight down from the Arctic. This will be toward the end of this week into the Northeast, and maybe even a secondary storm forming, bringing some snow to Cape Cod. That's still way too far out. Not that far out, but for this is sort of a mesocyclone over here. Now let's check the RGEM model, and this is more of a high resolution model, so you could pick out banding. And one change I've really noticed since the past run with the RGEM is the low is way further north. This is the past run, and this is this run. You see the low is more further north. So let me zoom into the northeast for this. And as you could see, parts of New York City start out as brief snow, probably for an hour or two, and then change over to sleet and rain. And it should stay rain in New York City for the rest of the event, while places like Boston start out as snow and stay snow, maybe even some heavy snow for Boston towards Tuesday night, heavy bounce. And then it looks like it will stay all snow for Boston until the end of the storm. So this is looking to be all snow, and then as you could see toward the end of the run, you could see that southern storm coming up. But this model keeps the southern storm way too far south. Another big disappointment is look at the past run. This past run had the southern storm further north, bringing snow to parts of southern Pennsylvania. So this has been another trend south with the southern storm, which is not good for snow lovers in the Northeast, because that just lowers the chances even further. Now this is the NAM3KM model, so this is very high resolution. And this only goes out to 60 hours, so we're going to capture a part of the first storm. So here, as you could see, just like the RGM model, it starts out as sleet and snow for New York City and then quickly changes over to rain. And it looks like to be on and off rain, not fully steady rain. And then Boston, same, it starts out as rain. It starts out as snow and stays snow. You could even see some evidence of some ocean effect. See that? Comes in from the, into the coast. That's some ocean effect rain and snow showers. Now let's go to the NAM 12 cam since this goes out further. So this is where we were at. And it looks like after that passes, there will be this also picks up on the southern storm, and actually it shows the southern storm bringing some snow to the northeast, or at least its outer snow bands. And that would be the NAM model is a little further north than most models, but still keeps it very far south, not like a full-blown nor'easter with a huge snow shield over the coastal northeast. But we do have to watch the southern storm, even though most models are keeping it up well off the coast. It's still something to watch. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked the video and got some information out of this. Please subscribe if you like my channel so far, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.